Are your orchid plants showing yellow leaves, leaf spots, slow growth, or signs of weakness? For people who are new to growing orchids, these are quite common problems, but not everyone knows the correct way to handle them and help the plant recover. If not cared for in time, the plant may become weaker and weaker, its root system may develop poorly, and its ability to bloom in the future may be affected. In today's video, I will guide you step by step on how to restore orchid plants that are facing these problems like this, using simple ingredients that are easy to find and commonly available in many households. By applying the method correctly and caring for the plant consistently, the orchid will gradually recover, develop a stronger root system, regain healthy green leaves, and create favorable conditions for producing beautiful flower spikes in the near future. Let us start right now to save these weakened orchid pots and help them regain their natural beauty. First, to restore this orchid, you need to remove all yellow leaves, dried leaves, or leaves that show signs of disease with unusual spots. Damaged leaves can no longer perform photosynthesis effectively, but they still consume the plant's nutrients. At the same time, they may become places where fungi and bacteria continue to develop. Use clean, sanitized scissors or a sharp knife to remove the damaged parts, ensuring clean cuts and minimizing injury to the plant. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, I will use dried banana peels that I prepared earlier to make fertilizer. Banana peels contain many natural nutrients such as potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and several trace elements that are very beneficial for plant growth. Especially for orchids that are weak, stressed after disease, or have just been pruned, these nutrients can help support recovery, promote root development, and encourage the growth of new shoots. So instead of throwing them away, we will dry these ripe banana peels and use them to make a simple natural nutrient solution for orchids. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. After cutting the banana peels into small pieces, I will place all of them into a clean glass cup or jar. Next, I will add 3 vitamin B1 tablets to this mixture. Vitamin B1 is commonly used by orchid growers to support plants during recovery after weakness, repotting, or root pruning. Finally, I will add approximately 500 milliliters of warm water to the prepared banana peel and vitamin B1 mixture. Then stir well so all ingredients combine and close the lid tightly. Next, let the solution steep for about 3 hours so the nutrients from the banana peels and vitamin B1 gradually dissolve into the water. During this time, the organic compounds and natural minerals will be extracted, creating a simple nutrient solution that can help orchids during recovery. After 3 hours of steeping, I will strain out all the banana peels and residue, keeping only the nutrient-rich liquid. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. At this point, the solution contains dissolved nutrients from the banana peels and vitamin B1 and is ready to use for orchids. Next, I will dilute the solution with 1 liter of clean water before use so the plant can absorb nutrients more gently and effectively. The diluted solution can be used to care for orchids in the garden. Method 1. Mist spraying for orchids. Pour the solution into a clean spray bottle, then spray lightly and evenly over the entire canopy, stem, aerial roots, and the area around the orchid base. This method helps distribute the solution evenly across the plant, while also cleaning dust from the leaf surface. When the leaves are clean and well ventilated, the plant can absorb light more efficiently, improving photosynthesis and metabolism. In addition, the fine mist helps maintain humidity around the plant, which is especially useful for orchids recovering from yellow leaves or weakness. When spraying, make sure to spray both the upper and lower surfaces of the leaves and lightly spray around the base so the solution reaches areas where new roots are developing. For best results, apply in the early morning or late afternoon, and avoid spraying under strong sunlight. Regular application will help orchids maintain healthy green leaves, support recovery, and create favorable conditions for root growth, new shoots, and future flower spikes. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Method 2. Root watering for orchids. Pour the solution into a watering can, then water lightly and evenly around the plant base and throughout the growing medium. This method allows nutrients to penetrate directly into the root zone, where the plant absorbs water and nutrients for recovery and growth. For orchids with yellow leaves, weakness, or those recently treated for disease, nutrient supplementation through the roots helps the plant regain vitality and develop stronger new roots. The nutrients from banana peels combined with vitamin B1 help stabilize root development, improve water and nutrient absorption, make leaves greener and stronger, and encourage the appearance of new shoots. When watering, only moisten the growing medium evenly. Avoid excessive watering that keeps the medium constantly soaked, because this can negatively affect root health. For best results, apply this method approximately once every 10 to 15 days, together with proper lighting and ventilation. Method 3. Wiping the leaves after mist spraying. About 30 minutes after mist spraying, use a soft cotton pad or soft cloth to gently wipe all orchid leaves. This step helps remove excess solution, remaining on the leaf surface while also cleaning dust and impurities from the plant. Regular leaf wiping also keeps the leaf surface well ventilated, creating favorable conditions for photosynthesis and gas exchange. In addition, drying the water trapped in leaf joints helps reduce prolonged moisture, lowering the risk of fungal growth and common orchid diseases. When wiping, gently clean both the upper and lower leaf surfaces to avoid scratching delicate leaf tissue. With this simple step, the orchid will become cleaner, the leaves will appear shinier and greener, and the plant will remain healthier throughout recovery. If you have questions or want to share about orchids, please post on the community tab of the channel. Let us exchange and learn orchid care experiences together every day. Results. After using this nutrient solution for some time together with proper care, the orchids in my garden gradually recovered and became healthy again. You can see that new leaves have started to appear. They are greener, thicker, and healthier than before. At the same time, new roots are developing strongly, with many fresh green root tips, helping the plant absorb water and nutrients more effectively. These are clear signs that the orchid is recovering well and gradually regaining vitality after suffering from yellow leaves, weakness, or slow growth. By continuing proper care and maintaining suitable light, humidity, and nutrition, it will not be long before the plant starts forming new flower spikes with many healthy buds. These buds will develop into vibrant flower spikes, promising a beautiful and colorful blooming season in the near future. Remember that besides nutrition and proper care techniques, patience and love for the plant are also very important. When cared for with attention and passion, orchids will reward you with healthy green leaves, thick roots, and beautiful blooming seasons. What do you think about this orchid recovery method? Please share your thoughts and experience in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss simple and effective orchid care tips in future videos. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.